What's up guys, Turbo Warrior here, and today I got Hasbro Archer Hercules, and I'm going to unbox it. It looks like a brand new package, it's not fingered up or anything, but there's Hercules, Archer Hercules 11 Eternal, and then the turbo launcher, but yeah. Okay, so let's gently tear into the box. You know, I'm gonna rip it open, I don't care. Look at that. There's the ripcord. Here's the rolls and stuff. I'll show you how to put it in the slingshot on here, because it shows you how to on here. Oh, it's on here. Oh, you just pull the driver down, but I don't put it in slingshot because obviously that. And ew. Okay, there it is, Archer Hercules. Ow, pop it open. Gimmick. So when it's spinning, it goes like that. When it runs out of stamina, it comes back in like that. So there's Archer Hercules. QR code if you guys want it. Pause the video there. Archer Hercules 11 Eternal. Okay, so you'll line up with the arrows there, and then you just yeah, I was right. So you line that part up with the arrows, and then you just pull it, but I'm gonna keep it like that. So I'm gonna be battling it against Sphinx and Achilles A4. Chose the Achilles. There's, oh, that feels strong. Dude, I got a good mold on this. Dude, this mold. Okay. Okay. Let's launch it. There it is. It's got such good balance. I don't want to touch it. Ow. Yo, I could use this on my Nubion now, but oh, yeah. Okay. So it's gonna be Sphinx versus Hercules. That was just off of a hand spin. And here's the turbo launcher. Y'all don't really mind. I'm gonna be launching Hercules first. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! And here's Sphinx, go shoot! So watch Sphinx burst right now. Dude, Hercules has such good stamina though. Yeah, Hercules is probably gonna win this. Now, release your endless spin! Okay, it did no damage whatsoever. You know what? Ouch! I poked myself with the launcher. And I'll be battling it against Hornets because that thing takes no damage either. Oh, yeah, it's a 4-star disc. I get so lucky. Battles are first to 2. Forgot to mention for anyone that's new. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Dude, how is Sphinx not bursted? Oh, Hercules lost some stamina. And Hercules takes it. Okay, these two took no damage whatsoever. Okay, I'm scared Josie Achilles is going to be battling it next. Go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. It's Hasbro versus Teratomi. If Hasbro wins this, I'm going to be surprised. Yep, Hasbro's probably going to win this. Hasbro's probably going to win this. Yep, Hasbro's going to win it. Watch it burst right now. No damage. Okay, well, yeah, no damage. It's 1-0 Hasbro. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 1-0 Hercules. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh, okay, 1-1. Okay, Hercules, Achilles. I want to see if I can. Okay. 1-1. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. There's Hercules. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay. Here goes Achilles. Going with like. Okay, no contact. It's quiet. Why is it so quiet? I'm trying to see whether I can notice if it shrinks in or not. Yeah, I just shrunk in. Did you see that? I don't know if you guys saw that, but it shrunk in there. Okay, it's 1-1. Yeah, it's 1-1. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh, okay. I need to redo that battle because I think. No, Achilles won that. Okay, so Achilles won that one. Good for it. I mean, it just demolishes everything at this point. Now, it's going to be Hercules versus, what's his face? Fornius. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. If you didn't see my Fornius unboxing, you should go check that out too. Go shoot. Yay, it's a battle of stamina. Good for it. But you see how Hercules is a little bit big right now. It's going to shrink in and it's going to get more stamina. Yeah, it just shrunk in. Dude, Hercules, win this. You're I'm going to type. Dude, these space take no damage. It's 1-0 though. Fornius. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. I think Hercules is going to win this just because of the type advantage. Because obviously stamina at defense. Oh! Fornius is off balance. Okay, Hercules won that. Oh my gosh, this Beyblade. This Bey is beautiful though. These Beys literally take no damage. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Dude, okay. I wanted to see what would happen, so in my defense, if it loses, it's 1-1.